Jalapeño Popper Boats. Oh my gosh, these are to die for. Stick around, easy process to get smoking. Let's go. From my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. All right, Jalapeno Popper Boats. What a fun combination. We've been on a Jalapeno Popper train on this channel for a while now. And it's just fun to continue to see what's trending. And this is one of those that Chud's Barbecue's done and a few others. And I thought, you know what? I've made sausage, homemade sausage. I've made smoked sausage. I've done jalapeno poppers. Now let's combine these things. So we got a little sweet Italian sausage that we're just going to cut open on the top here. We do not need to go all the way through. We just need enough to make ourselves a little boat. That's all we're doing. We're gonna flatten the bottom here. And if you're wondering what this contraption is a fly fan here that helps us out. So we're just making a cute little boat. And then we will make, I'll make the other two here in a moment, but we are going to just kind of, I'm gonna try to make a deep boat so I can really fill it up. All right, so just like making jalapeno poppers, a block of cream cheese is all you need. And so we're gonna dump that into a bowl here and then get that in there. I think I've got all of what I need. And then we were going to do some shredded cheese. You could use your favorite cheese. This is just a Fiesta blend. And I'm gonna get quite a bit in there. All right, so just a little bit more. And then we're gonna use our favorite seasonings. This is my Dust Bowl. It's a garlic butter flavor, and I think it's great. Gives you a little buttery flavor. Sweet red dirt goes on everything. Some good coloring too as well. So what you do, just like anything, we'll take a spoon, a fork. Actually, I've got both. Oh, I have one more ingredient I forgot to tell you about, is add your bacon. So we already cooked some bacon. If you want to add some more, put some bacon in there. And then we're going to just take this here and we'll just smash it and mix all of this together. Once I feel like it's congealed and come together really well, if you have gloves at this point, you could even use your hands and kind of get into this cook here. But once we get this all melded together, we will start stuffing. So I'll see you back here in a moment and we'll start stuffing these sausages. All right, so one of the things I realized is I just wasn't even thinking about it, just was cutting, is use the bone, or actually I've got an extra one here. When you're cutting these, for your boat, I would go this side here. It literally is a boat. And without even thinking the other two, I did the opposite side. It's still gonna work, but I think you're gonna get more stability doing that. And now it's time to fill our boat here. It's going to be awesome. All right, man. And so we're gonna fill our boat here. You could, again, use gloves if you want, but we're just manhandling this today. Go ahead and fill the others up here as well. I'll have enough to even do a fourth, which will be great. And then, all right, so we're just gonna make this, spread it out, flatten it essentially. You're just filling your boat. All right, friends, so last step is if you want to season the top, you can do that. Just a little bit, just add for flavor. And then this is where it gets a little fun. We can add little popper jalapenos on top as well. Another thing you could do, and I didn't do it on this video, but we could have also put diced jalapeno in the mixture, but just for presentation and for this look, we wanted to do on top. So we'll do 2 on top, 2 just by itself. And I definitely recommend putting this on a wire rack like this, and then put this directly on the grill at 350. And then I think we're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes and it should be done. All right, friends, this has been at 300 degrees. Just put these poppers on a grill grate. Makes your life a lot easier, doesn't stick to these bottom grill grates. We're gonna cook this for about 20 minutes, see how it does, but it should be done. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. I'm just curious to see how we are doing, how this is rendering. All right, it's definitely not done, but we can see the outside of the sausage is definitely starting to render. Cheese is kind of melting. So again, I think it's gonna be another 15 minutes until we see, I want that sausage to be rendered and actually fully cooked. The cream cheese is gonna be fine as is. So we'll see you back here in a moment. Look at this finished product. We are done. Take it to the cutting board and begin to slice these bad boys. All right, friends, so now this is some cheesy goodness. Grab our awesome shun knife here, go down the middle, and friends, just look at that beautiful cooked sausage. We are gonna just I'm gonna take a bite from the sausage boat. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of that jalapeno. Oh my gosh. All right, dude, cheesy goodness. This happens to me when I go out. That's why I stay home. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm telling you, that sausage is rendered. This is definitely, I mean, I'm making it messy. I'm sure there's a better way to eat this. But holy moly. That did it for me, bro. That was, All right, so now it's time for Caleb to taste test. Get you a little corner. You want jalapeno?
Yeah, I want jalapeno.
All right, dude, I'm giving you a big dog. Oh. Oh, yeah. I'm telling you, man, this is a really creative, I can see why this is going viral, and great appetizer tailgate for a game, summer cookout. Jalapeno poppers, you just pop them. I can just pop these all day. Jalapeno poppers, man, that taste test was to die for. I'm telling you, like, Caleb, was that awesome?
Ooh, it's so good.
I'm telling you, literally, I could just pop those all day. I cannot wait to keep on eating these off camera. I highly recommend it. I'm seriously not exaggerating. Highly recommending this as a cookout. It definitely meets the hype in my opinion, but I'm loving the jalapeno popper life right now, so I might be a little biased. So put in the comments, let us know what you think of this kind of viral trend and this fun little grilling hack, if you will, or if you've gotten creative with jalapeno popper and cream cheese recipes. Put in our comments, make this a form of learning and fun. We'd love to learn from you. Maybe your recipe might make the channel as well. And if you found value in this video today, like, subscribe, do all the things that you know what to do. I appreciate it as well. And definitely check out bartlowsbarbecue.com for all of our seasonings and sauce as well. From my backyard to yours, less hate, more love, good barbecue. Till next time.